It's a bright and sunny Monday here in B-Town with the blues nowhere in sight. We've got glimpses of Ranbir Kapoor jetting off into the sunset with Alia Bhatt, Salman Khan playing the perfect bhaijan to Rakhi Sawant, Adipurush director spilling deets about Prabhas and Saif's role. We've got all this and more on today's edition of Bolly Buzz. Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt are making up for lost time spent apart in quarantine by jetting out of the city for a holiday. Where do you ask? In Alia's happy place amid some sun, sand and sea. By the looks of it, one time was just not enough for the actress, who was seen getting her dose of vitamin C early this Feb. Pictures of the cuties at the airport got both Ranbir and Alia taking over the top trends on social media, and with their summer fashion game on, who can really blame them? Moving on to another little something that warmed our heart today, Salman Khan has gone by many names, but thanks to Rakhi Sawant, he is now an angel. The reality star took to her Instagram handle this morning to inform fans of yet another act of generosity and kindness by Salman. Sawant released a video thanking Salman for funding her mother's tumor operation and providing them with the best doctors available for the treatment. With folded hands and a grateful heart, she thanked the actor for his kind deed.
हर पूरे हिंदुस्तान के घर घर में सलमान भाई जैसा और सोहेल भाई जैसा बेटा हो। मैं धन्य करती हूँ आपके पेरेंट्स को कि आप दोनों भाई में हमारी फैमिली के लिए एंजल बन के आए हैं। धन्यवाद सलमान जी।
Meanwhile, on a film set not too far away, our bees caught up with Adipurush director Om Raut, who got chatty about Prabhas and Saif Ali Khan's extensive prep for their characters. Spilling the tea with our bees, he said that his leading men have undergone a remarkable physical transformation for their roles that have massive action scenes. There is a lot of physical transformation that Prabhas has undergone, and he continues to work on it even now as we shoot. With Saif Ali Khan, it is evident in the pictures, is all Raut was willing to say. Not to worry, we got some more juicy filmy deets. Filmfare Award-winning actress Taapsee Pannu has been on a roll after Rashmi Rocket, Loop Lapeta and Shabash Mithu. The actress seems to have landed a leading role in an upcoming thriller. Our bees tell us that if all goes well, Taapsee's next may just be a thriller. The story goes that Taapsee had seen Ajay Bail's Section 375 and almost promised each other that they will work together. Turns out that Bail got a call to direct a film and was told upfront that Taapsee was already on board. Another director-actor duo making news today was director Ramin Bahrani and Priyanka Chopra. The actress found herself coming to the director's rescue when he reportedly faced a racial slur. Describing the incident, Bahrani, who is up for an Oscar for Best Adapted Screenplay, said that a man shouted at him and asked him to go back to his country. That's when Priyanka stepped in to defend him and asked if America was not built on the back of immigrants in search of the American dream, a life of freedom, opportunity and a safe place not only for themselves but for their families. Well, that's all for today, folks. See you all tomorrow with a lot more where this came from. Bye-bye.